Yeah, how's it going, bros? My name is Aaron. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to take a look at the Earfun free true wireless earbuds. Now, the reason I was interested in taking a look at these is because they pack a whole range of features like USB-C charging, wireless charging, up to 6 hours of battery life in the buds, an extra 24 hours of battery in the case, IPX7 water resistance, Bluetooth 5.0, and SBC AAC codec support. And they retail for just $49.99 on Amazon, which is a very good price for all the features that I mentioned. But of course, I'm also interested in looking at things like sound quality, voice microphone quality for voice calls, and audio to video latency. How do they stack up against more expensive earbuds like the Samsung Galaxy Buds? We're going to take a look. I'm going to tell you what I think. Let's crack this box open right now. Okay, so you've got the earbuds. It's got a little heft to it. Its build quality is not too bad for something that costs less than 50 bucks. This is the case. It's got wireless charging, USB-C. Case feels a little cheap though. Some extra sizes of ear tips, USB-C to USB Type-A cable, and some literature. Okay, so I'm gonna put them on. Okay, the fit is pretty okay. It's rounded, so it's like making a lot of contact with the conch of my ear. Not a bad thing. Okay, let's pair this to my phone. Let's take a look at the sound quality. Wow, $49.99, bros. And its audio performance is pretty good. Okay, it's pretty loud. I was only able to play it at a maximum of say 60% volume. It has really good bass. Its bass extension is it's deep, it's low. It's got quite a bit of bite in the upper bass registers, quite impactful, but its bass could also leak a little too much into the mid-range. So I feel that the mid-range can be a little clearer, can have a bit better track separation, but overall it's still pretty listenable, quite good. Upper frequencies, the treble, smooth, not overdone, not too bright, it's just right. So as far as bass, mids and highs are concerned, I'd say that these are pretty well tuned. However, I feel that these sound a little too boxy. So if you're looking for something with the same airiness and sound staging as the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless Earbuds or the Sony XM3 earbuds, this is not it. Okay, now let's jump into the voice mic test. Okay, for comparison's sake, I'm gonna benchmark the Earfun Freeze to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. We'll see which one has better voice microphone quality. Okay, so I'm gonna put on some background noise. Okay, so background noise. I'm gonna record a voice memo with the Earfun Free. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, so Samsung Galaxy Buds, background noise, record. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay. Now let's compare. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So it seems to me that the Earfun Free's voice microphone employs a whole lot more noise reduction than the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So my voice ends up sounding clearer, louder, smoother on the Earfun 3 compared to the Samsungs. Overall, I feel like I prefer the voice microphone quality of the Earfun 3. Okay, now let's jump into the most interesting part, the audio to video latency test. Alright bros, as usual, I will be testing these earbuds audio to video latency on an iOS device and Android device, and I will be using a game instead of a video, and there's a very good reason for that. Video apps tend to correct audio to video latency automatically so that it seems like there is no lag. So the only way we can tell if the earbud has any lag or not is to use some real-time content like a game, not a video. So to give you a point of reference of what no lag looks like, I'm going to play the game straight from the iPad speakers. So this is what zero lag looks like and sounds like on this game. So notice when the chicken jumps, there's a sound, and when it lands, sometimes it clucks. When it gets hit by a car, see, no lag, everything is so tight. Okay, so right now we'll test the AV lag of the Earfun 3. Honestly, I expect the Earfun 3 to have only a little bit of lag because it supports AAC codec, which is great for iOS devices. So let's take a look, shall we? Yep. Yep, just a little bit of lag only. Very tight, not bad. Okay, pretty good. Sort of what I would expect for something that supports AAC codec. Now we'll switch over to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Sounds like the Samsung Galaxy Buds is quite similar to the Earfun 3 in terms of audio to video syncing on an iOS device. Okay, now let's switch over to an Android device. So the Android device I'm using is the LG V40 ThinQ. First, the Earfun 3. Yes, as expected, because AAC codec isn't so great on Android devices, there is a little more lag than on iOS. Now we'll switch over to the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Seems to me like the Samsung Galaxy Buds latency performance is quite similar to the Earfun 3, be it on iOS or Android devices. So overall, I am very pleasantly surprised by these pair of earbuds, $49.99, and you get a great bunch of features like IPX7 water resistance, Bluetooth 5.0, SBC, AAC codec support, USB-C charging, wireless charging, 24 hours of battery life in the case, 6 hours in the buds. It's really quite decent for something that costs less than $50. It's able to stand up against even more expensive earbuds like the Samsung Galaxy Buds that retail market price $129. Definitely something to look at if you're in the market for a pair of budget-friendly earbuds for yourself, for your girlfriend, for your son, your daughter. This is something that I will highly recommend at $49.99. It's very hard for me to say no to these. But of course, you gotta remember that this is meant for a wider budget-conscious crowd. So if you're in the market for a more premium experience in terms of build quality, audio performance, features like noise cancelling, ambient sound pass-through, equalizer settings, then you'll be looking at a different tier of product. For example, the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless, or the Sony XM3 earbuds, or even the Klipsch T5 True Wireless earbuds. These earbuds are at a more premium level of experience, but of course, for something that costs $50, this is it, guys. This is probably one of the best that you can get in the market right now. So if you want to take a look at these earbuds, I've included an Amazon affiliate link in the description box. Now, I gotta be upfront with you that this is an affiliate link. So if you purchase anything through this link, even if it's not these earbuds, this channel will earn a small commission from the sale, and that will go a long way towards helping this channel. So I want to thank you in advance if you decide to support this channel through this link. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you like this video, please punch that like button with a vengeance, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and remember to ring the bell to join notification squad because I upload new videos every single week, and this is the only way that YouTube will notify you as and when a new video pops out. So subscribe, ring the bell, and as always, I'll see you again in the next video.